Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. Not even the bad guys in the dark night could take it all away. There's a future in my life I can't foresee, unless of course I stay on course and keep you next to me. The script was written and I could not change a thing. I want to rip it all to shreds and start again. You'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. You'll never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. I'm like a crow on a wire. You're the shining distraction that makes me fly. Oh, oh. I'm like a boat on the water. You're the rays on the waves that calm my mind. Oh, every time. I figured it out. I figured it out from black and white.